So Daniel and I are going to do a 7-day rainbow cleanse. And we both have one from ZenCleanz. This is the week-long cleanse, which is, I think, just like their flagship product. And so we were going to do it for the new year, but we're getting started now because that's just what schedules are. And so look at how beautiful they are. And when you open it up, you can go to the instruction manual online, but the instructions are also here on the this big sheet of paper for the entire week. Everything that you need for the entire week is in here, and the instructions are here. And so we thought we would just share our first drink with you for this week and our cleansing prayer that we're going to say. And I also just want to read what it says right here on this ZenCleanz website. On this instruction sheet. So as you engage in the 7-day cleansing protocol, you will be walking your way toward a feeling of renewal as you may have never experienced before. The steps that you are about to take are critical, and you will never regret this process. To be certain that we are as enthusiastic as you may be. And I have done this before, and I'm very enthusiastic to do it again. Your human body under normal and natural conditions is a self-healing, self-renewing, self-cleansing organism, a stunning machine. When the right conditions are created, a vibrant state of health and well-being simply occurs. Our modern life has separated us from the ways of nature and is challenging us under much fewer friendly conditions. The toxicity of our planet and environment is undeniable. The air we breathe, the water we drink, we shower with, the foods we eat, the cosmetics, and the buildings we live and work in are loaded with toxic chemicals that alone or in combination cause diseases, cause much suffering and even death. When we remove these burdens and we add what supports health, our bodies magically bounce back into radiant health. Isn't it this common sense medicine? You are now on the starting line for enabling your body to heal, regenerate, and even rejuvenate itself as it is designed and programmed to do. We wish you the greatest journey that will take you over the rainbow and meet you on the other side in a state that you may have long since forgotten. Have a great week, the ZenCleanz team. And so Daniel and I have this cleansing prayer that we actually got from ZenCleanz a few cleanses ago when we did this. And we're going to recite this and then drink our first drink of the week. So, would you like to read that with me, Daniel?
Sure.
Cleansing prayer. I am now choosing to cleanse myself and release any and all thought forms, beings, situations, and energies that are no longer of service to my highest and greatest good, across all planets of my existence, across all universes, and across all lifetimes. I ask that all energies that are less than love be transmuted for the highest good of all, and so it is. And so I'm going to just share this because sometimes when people are doing the rainbow cleanse, they're not certain where to start. You start here. Day 1 is the intestinal cleanse. And so this is the intestinal management packet. So we're going to start taking 1 out of 10 packets of that right now. There's 10 packets in here. And then this one is the one that you'll do later on day 6 for the liver gallbladder flush. And then we're going to drink these enzymes today, throughout the day, and then throughout the week. And then these 2 small bottles are part of the liver gallbladder flush. And then we've got all these different kinds of enzymes that we're going to take throughout the week that are going to help just to detox the blood and the body in every way. So here's our first 2 packets. Packets number 1 that says on the back. And there's even times for all the packets and all the water. We're going to drink so much liquid today. And packets full of enzymes that we're not going to be hungry at all. Like, you can live on enzymes because they're pre-digested. These are like systemic 3-year-long fermented enzymes that put you in a state of autophagy because they're already pre-digested. But nonetheless, you're getting calories. And so you don't get hungry at all. All right, so I'm going to mix the regular room temperature water with this boiled water to get a nice lukewarm situation. And then we are going to just drop these packets in here and then shake them up and drink them down. All right, let's see. I'll shake for you, Daniel, since you're holding the camera. And you gotta go quick because it coagulates. All right. Well,
Thank you.
here's to our health, longevity, vitality.
Cheers.
Much love to you all. Cheers. And these, all the enzymes taste delicious. They taste like prune juices and fruits, and it's fermented fruits and vegetables, so delicious. All right, I'll report back again. Like, maybe I'll just do videos every day of this 7-day process with the Rainbow Cleanz.